Hi, my name is Akshay Sharma, and today we are going to discuss about the topic default, rest, and spread operator. In the previous video, we had talked about the spread operator. So now let's talk about default and rest. Let's go to Visual Studio Code and let's see default first. So what default does it? If you like using two parameters in a function or multiple parameters in the function, and if you pass only one or two but the required parameters are 5, so for that we give a default values to the parameters. Like if we don't pass all the parameters, then it will take the default parameter in that. Let's see by making an example. Let's create a variable of names and assign a function to it, function. And yep, uh, how to make a default. So you just have to assign the variable. Like I had assigned 5 to A and assigned B to 15, and let's console the sum of this. A plus B, and let's call this. So yes, so here's default operators work. So if you don't pass any parameters, it will print what it will print. It will print 20. And if you pass only one parameter like 10, then what it will print, it will print 10 plus, it will print 25. And if you pass two parameters, 10, 20, then it will print 30. So see how it works. Let's comment this. Let's save this. You hadn't passed any parameters, so it will take the default value of A and B here. So let's run this. It will print 20 according to me. Yes, so it is printing 20. Let's comment this and see the output of this statement. So what it is doing, it is passing this 10 to the first parameters, and here the second parameter is not given, so it will take the default value of the second parameter. So it will be 10 plus 15, so it will print 25. So the output which I had guessed is correct. Now uncomment this and save it. So you had passed all the parameters in this, so it will add these one, no, and will not use these values. Oh, let's see the output. So yes, it's printing 30. So that's how default works. Now let's talk about the rest uh, operator. Let's comment these. And rest is used like when you want to store indefinite numbers of items in an array, and want to pass it into the function. So let's see by doing an example. Let's make a function x, and console.log the variable which we will use in the array parameters. So let's call this, and suppose we want to we want to uh, pass indefinite numbers of parameters, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. So what rest will do, if you place three dots over here, so it will make an array of all these and store that array in this arr. And let's see what it will print. I think it will print this array of 1 2 6. It will print this. Let's save and see. So you can see it makes an array of indefinite number of items if you pass that in the function. So that's how REST are used. So that's all. Thank you. Hope you like it.